As products arrive from your placed purchase orders, you'll receive them using Purchase Order Shipments. To begin, open the Vendors tab and select the appropriate vendor. Then choose More Options, New Shipment from Vendor. First, adjust the shipment details by clicking the edit icon and entering the requested information. Enter the total cost exactly as provided by the vendor to ensure proper reconciliation. Once the purchase order shipment is created, you can receive products by opening the Purchasing tab and expanding all segments to reveal the products contained in the desired purchase order. You can update any product information using the fields below and click Update to apply it. You can use a barcode scanner and the Scan to Receive section to receive products. This works in two modes. Receive mode adds the scanned products with each scan, while Increment mode lets you adjust the received quantity incrementally before clicking Receive selected to add them to the shipment. To receive products without a scanner, select them, set their received quantity, and click Receive selected. If the Add to Print Queue checkbox is active, any received products are also sent to the Inventory tool. You can adjust received products by selecting them, entering a value in the fields below, and clicking Update. If needed, options to add additional other and shipping amounts are available in the More Options menu. Ensure the remaining balance is 0 before closing the shipment. If not, resolve any discrepancies first. Then, you can close a shipment by choosing More Options, Close Shipment. Repeat this action with the associated purchase order, and you have successfully completed the purchase order process in Tuplo Studio.